Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. So, this is your English class, and in previous class we learned the cursive capital A to D, cursive capital A to D, and small cursive A to D. Okay, so today we will learn the new letter of cursive alphabet E. E says, yes, tell me. E says elephant. E says elephant. Okay, and what is the sound of E? Eh. Sound of E is eh. Eh. Elephant. Eh. Elephant. Repeat. Sound of E is eh. Sound of E is eh. So now let's start. We will write capital cursive E and small cursive E. So for this, first we write the date. So today date is 8. 8 month June 6 and year is 2121. Okay. So what is the day today? Tell me children, what is the day today? Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Learn days of week also. Okay, days of week भी learn करो. आपको पता होना चाहिए पहले Monday आता है फिर Tuesday आता है, ऐसे करके आपको 7 के 7 weeks जो हैं वो पता होना चाहिए. उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे class work. Okay, practice on the slate first, then whiteboard, and then we will write in the copies. Okay, so write class work, and this is your capital cursive E and small cursive E. Okay, so let's start. We will make this. Okay, so start from the second line. This is your first line, second line, third line, fourth line. Okay, cursive always start from the third line in small letters only. In capital we will use the first line also, but E we will start from the second line. Okay, start from the second line, then curve, turn, curve, then on the second line you will take the another curve, touch the line, and that's it. Okay, write again. First we write the capital again, then we will start small. Okay, how to start? Touch the second line and don't move the pencil or chalk. Okay, go up, touch the red line, then turn back, touch the second line, then one more curve like C, and then touch the third line. This is your cursive capital E. Now small E. Okay, I told you before also, small letters will be start from the third line only. So start from the third line, go up, touch the second line, then turn and one curve. Okay, now make again. So the first, start from the third line, touch the second line, then curve, then make a round like this, and that's it. Okay, आपकी जो राइटिंग है वो बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए, इन लाइंस के बीच में ही रहनी चाहिए. तो ये है आपका कैपिटल कर्सिव ई एंड ये है आपका स्मॉल कर्सिव ई. नाउ वी विल प्रैक्टिस ऑन द व्हाइट बोर्ड. Okay kids, so this is your whiteboard, and this, then can you see there are 4 lines like your notebook. Okay, so this is your small cursive E, but we will not make this. We will make cursive small like ma'am is doing here. Okay, not like this. Okay, this is for the introduction, like this is small cursive E, बट आप वैसे बनाएंगे जैसे मैम आपको सिखाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट राइट डेट, then class work, and then we will start capital cursive E. Capital cursive E. First, start from the second line. Go up, then turn, then one curve, then second like C. Okay? Now make it again. First go up from the second line, touch the first line, then turn, then make this curve, then again like C. Okay, this is your capital cursive E. Now we will make small cursive E. Very easy. Start from the third line, then go up, then take the turn, and that's it. Okay, again start from the third line, go up, then turn, and that's it. Okay, make like this: capital E, small e, and sound I already told you. Okay, make this in your notebook now. So this is your notebook. We will write in the notebook now. Okay. First, write date always left side. Okay. And then classwork. Topic is letter, capital E, small e. Okay. Now we will make first. Count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Start from the second line. Start from the second line. Go up, then turn, then one more turn. Okay. Now make the small e. Go up, take turn, and that's it. Now again we will make the capital E. Go up. Okay. Go up. Take turn. Then again turn like C. Okay. Then small e. Go up. Touch the second line. Turn and again one more time we'll practice, and after that you will make in your copies on your notebook. Okay, up, turn, then turn again, go up from the third line, touch the second line, turn, and that's it. Okay, so this is your cursive capital E, cursive small e. Now make in your notebook and send me the homework. Thank you. Bye-bye.